Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your paper to a flat board and checking pigment strength on scrap. Once taped, mix a light wash with roughly 1/2 to 2 parts water so colors lay thin and even. This prevents heavy pigment from saturating normal paper. Apply broad, confident strokes from the top down and keep brushes loaded but not dripping. Make sure to let those first washes settle until they're tacky, not wet, before adding the next layer so fibers won't pill. Once your base is tacky, decide whether to soften edges with wet on wet or sharpen areas with wet on dry. You'll build depth by glazing. Apply thin transparent layers and wait roughly 5 to 15 minutes on normal paper before the next pass so the paper recovers without tearing. Use a clean, damp brush or a tissue to lift unwanted pigment quickly. Press gently and blot rather than scrub. Make sure to rotate between drying and working to keep control over blending and texture. You finish by increasing pigment strength for final accents and defining edges with a small brush. Contrast sells the form. Once the painting is completely dry, remove tape slowly at a low angle and press under heavy books if the sheet is slightly warped. If you see puddles or buckling, blot excess immediately, lightly re-wet to lift pigment where needed, then rebuild areas with thin glazes. Remember, slow, patient layering on normal paper produces the most stable results.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.